Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix archive option is not showing on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that your archived story option is not showing, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. The process will be pretty simple. But and here, once you are in Facebook, you just have to click on your profile option, and here just scroll down and click on these three dots, and you may see archive section here. If you're unable to see that here, so you can try to reload your page or refresh your page, so it might help you to fix out your issue. Now you can retry. If it's still not working for you, or if you're still getting the same issue, your archive story button is still not here, so you can try one more thing. You just have to click on your profile icon in the top right, go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Now once you are in settings, just scroll down and look for stories here, select stories, and here you must see archiving stories, so you just have to enable this. Now once I've enabled this, it might take sometimes almost 5 to 10 minutes to get the archive button on your profile page. Or you have to also keep in mind that it will not archive your previous stories. It will start your stories archiving from now. Whenever you will post a story, it will be archived and will be saved to archive section. So using this way, you can easily fix if your archive story button is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.